Hi guys, welcome back. We're going to start talking about different types of angles in this chapter, okay? Review. So we're going to talk about complementary, supplementary, and adjacent angles. But let's think about what an acute angle is. So remember, an acute angle is less than 90. A right angle is exactly 90, and a lot of times we represent that with that little square there. And an obtuse angle is greater than 90. Okay, and a straight line has how many degrees? Okay, well that's basically like two 90-degree angles, right? Because we could split it right in half there. So a line is 180 degrees. Okay, that's going to be important later on in this chapter. What do we call these two lines here when they look like this? Okay, that's parallel, right? Parallel means they are never going to intersect. They're going up and over at the same rate. And this type of line is perpendicular, which means they meet at a 90-degree angle. Okay, so just remember that that is what those two types of lines are called. Well, the next two types of angles that we're going to learn about are complementary and supplementary. Complementary is when two angles add up to be 90 degrees. Okay, so complementary goes with 90 degrees. Okay, supplementary goes with 180 degrees. Okay, now how I remember is complementary starts with a C and supplementary starts with S. They're in alphabetical order, and these are in numerical order. 90 is smaller than 180. Okay, if you can think of some other way to remember, great. We'll talk about it in class a little bit, okay? All right, so are these angle measures complementary? Well, we have the measure, so this little m is saying the measure of angle A and the measure of angle B. So the measure of angle A is 26, measure of angle B is 64. So is 26 plus 64 equal to 90? Well, 26 plus 64 does in fact equal 90, so we can say yes, they are complementary. Okay, so go ahead and try this one, angle C and angle D. Are these complementary? Well, 105 plus 8 is equal to 113, so these are not complementary. Okay. All right, so the next part is I should be able to give you an angle and you find what's called the complement. Okay, so the complement is just saying what angle is complementary to it, so it's just a shorthand. Okay, so I would say, well, this angle is 10. How do I make it 90? Well, I would need it to be another 80 degrees. Okay, and you call that, you know, the measure of angle B or whatever letter you'd want to pick. Okay, we'll do the equal sign there. Okay, now measure of angle B. Okay, what's its complement? There is no complement because it's already over 90 degrees. Okay, an angle can't be -1 degrees. Okay, so if it's already over 90, we can't find its complement. All right, what's on the next page? I think it's blank. All right, I hope this video finds you well, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.